I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the first generation Audi Q3, produced from 2011 to 2018. This compact crossover quickly became a favorite in the United Kingdom for its blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. With prices starting from around £5,000 for a used model today, it offers premium features like Quattro all-wheel drive and efficient engines. However, like many Audis, it has its share of reliability headaches that potential buyers should know about. Let us start with a quick overview of what makes the Q3 appealing. Its sleek design turns heads on British roads, and the interior boasts high-quality materials, with plenty of tech for the era. Fuel efficiency is decent, with diesel models achieving up to 18 km per litre on motorways. On the flip side, maintenance costs can add up quickly due to Audi's premium parts prices. One of the standout positives is the driving experience. The Q3 handles like a dream on twisty country lanes, thanks to its responsive steering and optional adaptive suspension. It is spacious enough for small families, with a boot that swallows 460 litres of luggage. Yet, some owners report that the ride can feel a bit firm over potholed UK streets. Now, shifting gears to the problems, let us explore the top 5 weaknesses based on owner feedback and mechanic reports. These issues have plagued many Q3s, especially those with higher mileage. We will balance this with some positives to give a fair picture. Remember, regular servicing at authorized dealers can mitigate many of these. First on our list is the infamous DSG transmission problems. The dual-clutch gearbox, found in many automatic Q3 models, often suffers from mechatronic unit failures, leading to jerky shifts or complete breakdowns. Repairs can cost upwards of £1,500, and it is a common gripe among UK drivers who rack up city miles. Despite this, when working smoothly, the DSG provides quick gear changes that enhance the sporty feel. Oil leaks come in as our second major weakness. Many Q3 engines, particularly the 2.0-litre TFSI petrol variants, develop leaks from valve cover gaskets or rear main seals after about 80,000 kilometers. This not only leads to messy engine bays but can cause low oil levels and potential damage if ignored. On the positive side, the engines are powerful, with the TFSI delivering 170 horsepower for brisk acceleration on A roads. Timing chain tensioner failures rank third in our top weaknesses. In the diesel engines, like the 2.0-litre TDI, the tensioner can wear out prematurely, causing rattles or even chain jumps that require engine rebuilds costing over £2,000. This issue often appears around 100,000 kilometers, a mileage many UK commuters hit quickly. However, these diesels are torque-rich, making overtaking on dual carriageways effortless. Our fourth weakness involves turbocharger issues, especially in higher mileage petrol models. Turbos can fail due to oil starvation or boost leaks, resulting in loss of power and expensive replacements around £1,000. Symptoms include whistling noises or smoke from the exhaust, which UK owners notice during cold starts in winter. That said, a healthy turbo gives the Q3 impressive performance, rivaling larger SUVs in speed. Finally, electrical gremlins round out our top 5. Faulty sensors, infotainment glitches, and battery drain problems are reported frequently, often linked to the complex wiring in these tech-laden vehicles. Fixing them might set you back £500 at a specialist garage. Positively, the Q3's MMI system was ahead of its time, offering navigation and connectivity that still feels modern. Beyond these top issues, let us touch on suspension wear. The front control arms and bushings tend to degrade on rough British roads, leading to clunks and uneven tire wear after 50,000 kilometers. Replacement parts are not cheap, but the Quattro system provides excellent grip in rainy UK weather. Overall, the Q3's build quality shines through in its durable chassis. Fuel system problems can also crop up in diesels. Particulate filters clog if the car is mostly used for short trips, triggering warning lights and regeneration issues. Cleaning or replacing them costs around £400, but the efficiency pays off for long-distance drivers. The cabin remains quiet at motorway speeds, a real boon for family journeys. Brake wear is another area to watch. Discs and pads on sportier models wear faster due to the car's weight, with replacements every 30,000 kilometers not uncommon. This adds to running costs, yet the stopping power is confident and reliable. Many owners praise the Q3 for its safety features, including multiple airbags and stability control. Interior trim can show age too. Leather seats might crack, and dashboard plastics can rattle over time, especially in models without the premium pack. Upgrading to higher spec versions mitigates this, and the overall ergonomics are driver-focused. It is a car that feels upscale without being overly flashy. Engine management faults occasionally arise. Faulty injectors in TDIs can cause rough idling, with repairs hitting £800. However, the powertrains are refined, offering a smooth drive compared to rivals like the BMW X1. Fuel economy remains a strong point for budget-conscious buyers. Transmission fluid leaks tie back to the DSG woes. If not addressed, they exacerbate shifting problems, but proper maintenance extends gearbox life. The automatic option is popular in the UK for its ease in traffic. Enthusiasts love how it pairs with the sport mode for dynamic driving. Cooling system failures are less common but notable. Radiators or water pumps can leak, leading to overheating on hot summer days. Parts are around £300, and the issue is rare in well-maintained examples. The Q3's climate control keeps passengers comfortable year-round. Wheel bearing noise affects some models. Humming sounds at speed indicate wear, with fixes costing £200 per side. This is more prevalent in Quattro versions due to added drivetrain stress. Still, the all-wheel drive excels in snowy or wet conditions across the UK. Battery and alternator issues can strand owners. Weak charging systems lead to flat batteries, especially in stop-start equipped cars. Replacements are straightforward but add to the ownership costs. The electrical reliability improves with newer batteries. Exhaust system corrosion is a UK-specific problem. Salted winter roads accelerate rust on pipes and manifolds, potentially requiring welds or replacements for £400. Diesel models are prone, but they meet Euro 5 emissions standards. The Q3's eco-credentials appeal to urban drivers. Tire wear can be uneven without regular alignments. The wider tires on S-line models wear faster, increasing costs every 20,000 kilometers. Proper care ensures longevity, and the handling benefits justify it. It is fun to drive on B roads. Infotainment updates are sometimes needed. Older systems may not support modern phones, but retrofits are available for £300. The sound system is impressive, enhancing long drives. Connectivity was a highlight for its time. Air conditioning failures occur in humid climates. Compressor issues cause warm air, with repairs at £500. Regular servicing prevents this, and the dual-zone setup is a nice touch. Comfort is a key selling point. Fuel pump problems in petrol engines. High-pressure pumps can fail, stalling the car and costing £1,000 to fix. This is mileage-related, but the performance makes up for it. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 9 seconds is thrilling. Differential issues in Quattro models. Leaks or noises from the rear diff require specialist attention, around £800. It enhances stability, perfect for UK weather. Off-road capability is limited, but sufficient for light trails. Paint and bodywork can chip easily. Stone chips on the front end are common on motorways, leading to rust if not treated. Resprays cost hundreds, but the design ages well. Resale values hold up in the UK market. Headlight failures, especially in xenon-equipped cars. Bulbs or ballasts burn out, with replacements at £200. Visibility is excellent at night, a safety plus. Adaptive lights were optional and worthwhile. Windscreen wiper motor issues. They can seize in heavy rain, a hazard in the UK. Fixes are inexpensive at £100, but inconvenient. The rain-sensing feature works well otherwise. Door lock actuators sometimes fail. Electronic locks glitch, preventing entry and costing £150 per door. Security is strong with central locking. The keyless entry is convenient. In conclusion, the first-generation Audi Q3 is a stylish and capable crossover with plenty of premium appeal, but its weaknesses like DSG troubles and oil leaks mean it requires diligent maintenance to avoid hefty bills. It suits urban professionals or small families who value luxury and performance over ultimate reliability, especially if you can afford regular servicing. For those on a budget, consider a well-inspected low-mileage example with full service history to enjoy its strengths without the pitfalls. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.